don't know. I already put it on, so I'm just gonna work with it. I already put it on, so. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miriam's Way, and today I'm gonna be telling you guys my first impression on this foundation that I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Kat Von D. Let me see. Let me get the box. Oh shoot! I'm wearing the Kat Von D foundation. That's all I say. And warm deep 71. So can you guys see that? Anyway, I just got this. I actually went to Sephora and got a lot of stuff, but it was kind of like really. It's kind of heavy, and it's kind of you gotta blend it a lot. You gotta do a lot of blending with this foundation. Like you have to like a lot, and so that was kind of throw me off at first, and it's kind of like a like really light color, but it blends in with my neck. So you see my neck's the same color as my face, so it kind of blends in. And I use some concealer and contour on my face, but I really like it. So I'm gonna keep trying it out and try to work with different brushes and different dimming brushes to see like if it works better out for me. And what gave me the inspiration of doing using this Kat Von D, after I watched Beyonce homecoming video on Netflix. Like I think it was a movie. It was a movie. I was like, I need to get myself together and put this video together for you guys. And if you haven't checked out my previous video of how I did this makeup look, go and check that out. And go and subscribe to my channel, Miriam's Way, for more videos to come. And I'll be trying out new things and unboxing new things for you guys. So stay tuned. So this is how it comes, the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. And I am using the color Deep 71 Warm. It's a really nice color with a warm undertone. And it comes really in it like a compressing pump. And you can just press it. I should have read the box, because the box says that you're supposed to use like one pump, but I obviously used too many pumps. And so I guess that's how, like, why it didn't work out for me when I was blending it. It was taking a lot for me to blend this foundation in. And so once it's oxidized in your face, it's really nice. It's really full coverage, and it's a 24-hour wear. I wore it for like 10 hours and it was still on my face after. So this is a really good foundation. So actually it's like a build up. So if you like just use one pump and then build up to the look that you want, the full coverage that you want, it will work out better. So I'm going to try it again. We're actually following directions on the box. Okay, enough of this. So yeah, because I was getting really tired of blending, and I started on my beauty blender. I was going back and forth with the beauty blender, and it was looking very patchy and very like not settling into my skin. I just gotta work on it again. Yeah. So and yeah, I'm still blending it in now. I just keep pressing and pressing, pressing, and hopefully that it will blend in more, and it just eventually it's gonna get there, y'all. So if you keep on watching, it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. But it's my fault. I used too much foundation, and I shouldn't have used that much, because with this full coverage, you only need like maximum 2 pumps, and that will give you the full coverage that you need. And also, like you can see, I have a lot of dark spots and high pigmentation in my face and under my eyes. So I'm trying to really get the foundation to blend in. And
If you haven't checked out my previous video of how I do this full face, I do add concealer and do add contour to my face, and all it all comes together all really nicely. But I'm gonna try it again.
I don't know about you, Cat Bone. I don't know about you, Cat Bone.